In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay contractors with direct deposit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send payments quickly, track them properly, and avoid common mistakes that can slow things down. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, go to Expenses, then click on the Contractors tab. This is your main hub for managing contractor information and payments. If you don't see a contractor listed here, you'll want to add them as a contractor first and make sure their payment details are set up before continuing. Once you're on the Contractors tab, look for the option that says Pay Contractors and click it. This takes you into the payment workflow designed specifically for contractor payments, including direct deposits. The first thing QuickBooks will ask you to confirm is the bank account you're paying from, along with the pay date. Make sure the correct business bank account is selected, especially if you have multiple accounts connected. Then choose the date you want the payment to go out. Keep in mind, direct deposits may require lead time, so choose a pay date that gives the system enough time to process. Next, select the contractor or contractors you want to pay. You can usually check multiple people at once if you're running payments in a batch. Take a moment to confirm that each contractor you select is supposed to be paid in this run, so you don't accidentally overpay or miss someone. Now, for the pay method, choose direct deposit. If you haven't set up direct deposit for a particular contractor yet, QuickBooks will typically prompt you to enter their bank details first. Make sure you have accurate routing and account numbers and double-check them to avoid delays or failed payments. After that, select the appropriate expense category to track the payment. This is important for accurate reporting and tax prep. Choose the category that best reflects the type of work the contractor performed, such as professional services or subcontractors, depending on how your chart of accounts is set up. Then enter the payment amount, a clear description, and any other relevant details. The description can help you later when you're reviewing reports or answering questions about what a specific payment was for. Finally, carefully review all of the payment details: the contractors selected, the amounts, the pay date, the funding account, and the expense categories. When everything looks correct, click Submit Contractor Pay. QuickBooks will process the direct deposits, and your contractors will receive their payments directly into their bank accounts.